Good day, my dear student friends. In this video session, let us learn how to derive the shape functions for 4-node quadrilateral element in terms of natural coordinates. Okay, we know that 4-node quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral element, is one of the two-dimensional element in used in FEM. That is at each node 2 degrees of freedom. That is x and y component of displacement at each node. This element is also called as a linear rectangular element. Linear rectangular element having 4 nodes. The shape of this quadrilateral element or rectangular element is a 4-sided element. It is a shape having the 4 corners. Okay, now the linear quadrilateral element or linear rectangular element is a 4-noded quadrilateral element, because linear elements always consist of only the corner nodes. Okay, now we will derive the shape functions for this 4-node quadrilateral element in terms of natural coordinates, that is zeta in x direction and neta in y direction. Okay, the origin will be at the interior of this rectangular element, quadrilateral element, that is 0 0. Okay, if this is the origin, write the coordinate values of each and every node, that is zeta and eta values of each and every node. Okay, now how do you write? Now this side, the coordinate value of this side is zeta is equal to +1 to the right of the origin. Okay, in zeta direction, and this side value, zeta value, is -1, it is to the left of the origin, and this side value is neta is equal to +1, it is above the origin, and this side is below the origin, hence neta is equal to -1. Okay, now we will write the natural coordinate values by using this concept. Now at node 1, the zeta value is -1, neta value is -1, because node 1 is to the left of the origin and it is below the origin. Node number 2, zeta value is +1 and neta value is -1, because it is to the right of the origin in zeta direction and it is below the origin in neta direction. Here for node 3, zeta and neta values are +1, because the node 3 is located to the right of the origin in zeta direction and above the origin in neta direction. And zeta neta values for node 4 is -1 and +1, because node 4 is located in to the left of the origin in zeta direction, it is -1, and node 4 is located in above the origin in neta direction, hence it is +1. Like this, first you draw the sketch of the quadrilateral element like this 4-noded quad element and write the natural coordinate values. Okay, now to derive the shape functions we have two methods, that is polynomial method of shape functions and Lagrange method of shape functions. First, now we will discuss how to derive the shape functions for 4-node quad element using Lagrange method of shape functions. Already we have discussed this Lagrange method of shape functions and Lagrange formula in the one of my previous video, wherein we have used Lagrange method of shape functions to derive for one-dimensional quadratic element and one-dimensional cubic element. There we have derived the shape functions for only one-dimensional element, one-dimensional quadratic and cubic element. One-dimensional quadratic and cubic element we have derived, we have used only one natural coordinate, that is zeta, but since this is a two-dimensional element, we should use zeta and neta. Okay, just we should take therefore using Lagrange method of shape function n1, that is shape function n1, since there are here 4 nodes, we need to derive 4 shape functions n1, n2, n3 and n4. Okay, let us derive for n1 now. N1 can be written as, it is the product of L1 of zeta and L1 of neta. Okay, where n1 is equal to, can be written as L1 of zeta into L1 of neta. Okay, first you need to find Lagrange shape function in zeta direction, Lagrange shape function in neta direction. Product of these two will give the shape function n1 at node 1. Okay, L1 of zeta can be written as, by using the formula already we have discussed in the previous videos for 1D quadratic and 1D cubic. Okay, by using this, in zeta direction, the node 1, okay, along the direction of node 1 in zeta direction, there is only one node, that is node 2. Okay, then the Lagrange shape function can be written as, in zeta direction, for node 1, zeta minus zeta 2 divided by zeta 1 minus zeta 2. That is zeta minus zeta I divided by zeta k minus zeta I, where k is equal to 1. That is the node at which the shape function has to be determined, and I should not be equal to k, hence I will be equal to 2. Okay, then now once you write this formula, L1 of zeta is equal to zeta minus zeta 2 divided by zeta 1 minus zeta 2. Okay, only one node is there along the direction of node 1 in zeta direction, then we will have only this ratio. Now just to substitute the value of the coordinate values, zeta 2 we have, that is at node number 2. What is the zeta value? What is the zeta value at node number 2? That is the zeta 2. That is zeta 2 is 1. Okay, now we will substitute zeta 2 as 1 here. And what is zeta 1? Zeta 1 value we have at node 1, zeta value is minus 1. Minus 1 will substitute here. And node 2 zeta value is 1, we will substitute here. By substituting these zeta 1 and zeta 2 values, okay, and by calculating the ratio, we will get L1 of zeta is equal to 1 minus zeta divided by 2. Okay, now how you got 1 minus zeta by 2? Zeta minus 1 divided by minus 2. Okay, minus you take inside, we will get 1 minus zeta divided by 2. Okay, now we will find L1 of neta direction. L1 of neta can be found out in neta direction along the direction of node 1. In neta direction there is only one node, that is node 4. Now we can write by using Lagrange function neta minus neta 4 divided by neta 1 minus neta 4. Okay, once you write this formula, okay, now we will substitute the natural coordinate values of neta at node 4, it is plus 1, we will substitute, and neta value at node 1, it is minus 1, I will substitute. Neta 4, that is at node 4, neta value is plus 1, I will substitute. Once you substitute, by calculating this ratio, we will get 1 minus neta divided by 2, because neta minus 1 divided by minus 2 will give you 1 minus neta divided by 2. Okay, now by multiplying this L1 of neta and L1 of zeta, okay, now by multiplying this L1 of zeta equation and L1 of neta expression, we will get N1 is equal to L1 of zeta and L1 of neta, 1 minus zeta by 2 into 1 minus neta by 2. That will give you shape function N1 for quadrilateral element. For linear quadrilateral element, shape function N1 is given by 1 divided by 4 into 1 minus zeta into 1 minus neta, because 2 into 2, here we got 4. This is the first shape function N1 we got. Next, now similarly we will derive this for the second shape function, that is N2, by using the same Lagrange method formula. N2, shape function N2 can be expressed as L2 of zeta into L2 of neta. First we will find L2 of zeta. For node 2, in zeta direction there is a node 1, then I will write zeta minus zeta 1 divided by zeta 2 minus zeta 1. Okay, now because for node 2, along zeta direction, node number 1 is there, then hence zeta minus 1, zeta 1 divided by zeta 2 minus zeta 1 you write. After that you substitute the coordinate values. Zeta 1 coordinate value is minus 1 and zeta 2 coordinate value is plus 1, zeta 1 is minus 1. You substitute all the coordinate values from the, you just refer that sketch where the coordinate values have been mentioned. You go through that, all those natural coordinate values you write, and we will get 1 plus zeta by 2. L2 of zeta we got 1 plus zeta by 2. L2 of neta, that is in neta direction for node 2 there is a node 3. In y direction, in neta direction there is a node 3, hence I will write the equation neta minus neta 3 divided by neta 2 minus neta 3. Okay, once you write this equation, substitute the values of neta 2 and neta 3 as plus 1, neta 2 as minus 1, neta 3 as plus 1, we will get the neta minus 1 divided by minus 2, that can be written as 1 minus neta divided by 2. Therefore, the shape function N2 is L2 of zeta into L2 of neta. It can be written as, you will get 1 divided by 4 into 1 plus zeta into 1 minus neta, that is N2. Okay, now next N3 we will find. N3 is equal to, can be expressed as L3 of zeta into L3 of neta. Okay, now for node 3 in zeta direction there is a node 4. Okay, now we will write the expression for L3 of zeta, zeta minus zeta 4 divided by zeta 3 minus zeta 4. Okay, once you write this expression, substitute the values of zeta 3 and zeta 4. Zeta 4 as minus 1 from the figure, zeta 3 as plus 1 and zeta 4 as minus 1. After that, once you calculate this ratio, zeta plus 1 divided by 2, you will get 1 plus zeta by 2. Okay, next L3 of neta, that is in neta direction for node 3, in neta direction there is a node 2, then you can write the expression L3 of neta is equal to neta minus neta 2 divided by neta 3 minus neta 2. Like this you can write. Okay, and substitute the values of coordinate values of neta 2 and neta 3. Neta 2 as minus 1, neta 3 as plus 1. We will get 1 plus neta divided by 2. Okay, that is now, therefore n3 is equal to L3 of zeta into L3 of neta will give n3 is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 1 plus zeta into 1 plus neta. This is the third shape function n3. Now come to shape function n4 at node 4. It is given by L4 of zeta into L4 of neta. Okay, now we will calculate L4 of zeta. For node 4 in zeta direction there is a node 3. Okay, now we will write an expression for L4 of zeta, zeta minus zeta 3 divided by zeta 4 minus zeta 3. Okay, now zeta minus zeta 3 divided by zeta 4 minus zeta 3, we will substitute the natural coordinate values of zeta at node 3 and 4, zeta 3 as plus 1 and zeta 4 as minus 1. Okay, then by calculating this ratio we will get zeta minus 1 divided by minus 2, that can be written as 1 minus zeta divided by 2. Okay, now L4 of neta, to calculate L4 of neta for node 4 in neta direction there is node number 1. Okay, now we will write an expression by using Lagrange method of shape function, Lagrange form of shape function, neta minus neta 1 divided by neta 4 minus neta 1. Okay, now we will substitute the values of neta 1 and neta 4 into this expression. Then neta 1 as minus 1 I will substitute, neta 4 as plus 1 I will substitute. Okay, now by substituting this, calculating the ratio, we will get neta plus 1 divided by 2, that is 1 plus neta by 2. Therefore the shape function n4 is given by L4 of zeta, that is 1 minus zeta by 2, multiplied by L4 of neta, that is 1 plus neta by 2. If you multiply it, we will get n4, shape function n4 is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 1 minus zeta into 1 plus neta. Okay, this is how we can derive the shape functions n1, n2, n3, n4 in terms of zeta and neta for the 4 node quadrilateral element or linear quadrilateral element or linear rectangular element. Okay, now therefore we have derived the shape functions n1, that is 1 by 4, 1 minus zeta into 1 minus neta. Next n2 we got 1 by 4, n2 we got 1 by 4 into 1 plus zeta into 1 minus neta. n3 1 by 4 into 1 plus zeta into 1 plus neta. Likewise n4 we got 1 by 4 into 1 minus zeta into 1 plus neta. You can observe here, you can remember these shape functions, my dear students, for linear quadrilateral element. You can remember this easily, that is all these form are 1 by 4 is the common outside, and it is 1 is minus, 1 is plus, it is 1 minus zeta, 1 minus neta, like that you can write. It is just first shape function minus minus, plus minus, second shape function, third shape function plus plus, and fourth shape function is minus plus, minus minus, plus minus, plus plus, minus plus. Like this you can remember. Okay, now these are the shape functions for a 4 node quadrilateral element in natural coordinates. Now we will move on to another method. usually this method is going to be used, this one generally for Lagrange method of shape function. It will be very easier method of deriving the shape function, and in a very shortcut method, so that you will get the shape function easily. Just you have to write the expression by using Lagrange formula, and just you are substituting the natural coordinate values, we will get the shape functions. Now one more is polynomial, that also we will discuss now. Polynomial method of shape functions. Okay, in this shape function, first draw the sketch of the element as we have discussed in the previous page. Write all the coordinate values. After that, let us assume the interpolation function or displacement function for the quadrilateral element, 4-node quadrilateral element. We know that it is given by a1 plus a2x plus a3y plus a4 xy. Since it is a linear type of quadrilateral element, linear element, always the linear element is having the order of the polynomial is always equal to 1. If you observe this displacement function also, the order of the polynomial is 1 only, and there are 4 coefficients in the polynomial, that is equal to the 4 degrees of, that is equal to 4 nodes. Okay, now let us assume the shape function n1 is equal to the one of the interpolation function, that is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 zeta plus alpha 3 neta plus alpha 4 neta zeta. What do you mean by that? Just now I have used a1, a2, a3, a4 are the coefficients in the polynomial. You may assume alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 also coefficients in the polynomial. Okay, now x and y, since we are deriving these shape functions for 4-node quadrilateral element in terms of natural coordinate zeta and neta, then x has to be replaced by zeta and y has to be replaced by neta. Hence you will get n1 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 x. Instead of x I wrote alpha 2 zeta plus alpha 3 neta, alpha 3 y I have wrote y instead of y neta, plus alpha 4 neta zeta, alpha 4 yx xy, that can be replaced by zeta neta. Okay, now once you assume this shape function n1 is equal to like this. After that, how do you get this value of n1? Just apply the conditions for n1 at the nodes 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and substitute those conditions for 4 nodes into this shape function. We will get 4 equations to be solved. 4 equations you solve for alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4. Once we get alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, these values you substitute back into this n1 expression, we will get n1 shape function. This is how we can derive the shape function n1. The same procedure has to be adopted for a shape function n2, n3 and n4. Okay, now let us discuss first shape function n1. Let us apply the conditions for node 1. At node 1, n1 is 1. That is one of the property of the shape function. n1 is 1 at 1 and n1 is 0 at node 2, 3 and 4. Okay, n1 is 1 at node 1 and zeta is minus 1, neta is minus 1. If you substitute this condition into this equation, we will get n1 is 1 and alpha 1, zeta is minus 1. If you substitute minus alpha 2, we will get neta is minus 1. If you substitute minus alpha 3, we will get, and zeta and neta minus 1 and minus 1, that is minus 1 into minus 1, it will become zeta into neta, it is plus 1, that is plus alpha 4. This is the first equation we got. Alpha 1 minus alpha 2 minus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 is equal to 1. Next, say at node 2, n1 is 0 and zeta is equal to 1 and neta is equal to minus 1. If we substitute this condition into this equation, we will get alpha 1 plus alpha 2 minus alpha 3 minus alpha 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now come to the second equation, third condition. At node 3 n1 is 0. Okay, and zeta is equal to 1, neta is equal to 1. Okay, now if we substitute this condition into this equation, we will get 0 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus alpha 4. Okay, now next, n1 is 0 at node 4, then zeta is equal to minus 1 and neta is equal to plus 1. If you substitute this condition into this equation, 0 is equal to, we will get alpha 1 minus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 minus alpha 4. Like this, by applying these 4 nodal conditions and for n1 equation we will get 4 equations. These 4 equations 1, 2, 3 and this one, sorry, okay, these 4 equations 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 equations if we solve, we will get alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3, alpha 4. Okay, now let us check it out. We will get alpha 1 as 1 by 4, alpha 2 as minus 1 by 4, alpha 3 minus 1 by 4, alpha 4 plus 1 by 4. If we substitute into the main equation, n1 will become alpha 1, that is 1 by 4, plus alpha 2 zeta. What is alpha 2? Minus 1 by 4, that is minus 1 by 4 zeta, plus alpha 3 neta. Alpha 3 neta, that is alpha 3 is minus 1 by 4, you will get minus 1 by 4 neta, plus alpha 4 zeta into neta. What is alpha 4? Plus 1 by 4, we got 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 zeta neta. Okay, if we write this by taking the common, okay, we will write n1 can be written as, this expression can be written in this form also, that is 1 by 4 into bracket 1 minus zeta minus 1 by 4 into neta into bracket 1 minus zeta. First these two terms have to be written in this form, 1 by 4 into 1 minus zeta minus 1 by 4 into neta into bracket, it can be written these two terms 1 minus zeta. Okay, therefore we will get, okay, 1 minus zeta is the common, 1 divided by 4 into 1 minus zeta into this is, by taking the common again, we will get 1 by 4 into 1 minus zeta into 1 minus neta. Okay, by taking the common of these two terms, what is that? 1 by 4 into 1 minus zeta is the common. If into bracket we will get first common, that is 1, minus the common in this term, that is neta, that is 1 by 4 into 1 minus zeta into 1 minus neta. The same shape function n1 we got by using Lagrange method of shape function. In the previous method we have discussed the same shape function we got. Okay, this is a little bit lengthier one. Okay, but Lagrange method of shape function, it will be better to be used. Okay, shape function n2, again the same polynomial function you assume, n2 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 zeta plus alpha 3 neta plus alpha 4 zeta neta. Just you need to substitute the conditions for n2 only at the nodes 1, 2, 3 and 4. n2 is 0 at node 1, n2 is equal to 1 at node 2, n2 is equal to 1 at node 2 and it is 0 at other nodes, that is n2 is 0 at third node, n2 is sorry, it is a misprint, that is n4, it is misprint, you just write it as, you just take it as n2. Okay, n2 is 0 at node 4. Okay, and write the coordinate values of node 1, 2, 3 and 4 like this. Okay, once you get n2 as 0 for node 1 and coordinate values for node 1, we know we will get one equation. By substituting these conditions 1, 2, 3 and 4 nodes conditions for n2 into this equation, we will get 4 equations. Okay, these are the 4 equations we got. These 4 equations if we solve, then we will get alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4. Okay, here we got alpha 1 and alpha 2 are plus 1 by 4, alpha 3 is minus 1 by 4, alpha 4 as minus 1 by 4. Then we will get 1 by 4 into bracket 1 plus zeta, because alpha 1 and alpha 2 are plus, and minus neta minus zeta neta, because alpha 3 and alpha 4 are minus. Okay, then you will get n2 is equal to 1 by 4 into bracket 1 plus zeta into 1 minus neta. This is also the shape function we got in the first method. Now third shape function can be found out by using the same procedure. Okay, again n3 you assume, let n3 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 zeta plus alpha 3 neta plus alpha 4 zeta neta. Now you substitute the conditions at the 4 nodes for n3. n3 is equal to 1 at node 3, but it is 0 at other nodes. Okay, n3 is 0 at node 1, 2 and 4, but n3 is equal to 1 at node 3. That is one of the property of the shape function. And node 1's coordinate values, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4 coordinate values we know. All these 4 conditions, if we substitute into the main equation, n3 equation, we will get 4 equations to be solved. These are the 4 equations which have to be solved by substituting these conditions. That is 0 is equal to alpha 1 minus alpha 2 minus alpha 3 plus alpha 4 and so on. Okay, you just my dear students, you just substitute all these conditions. I hope you have understood these conditions. You substitute into this equation. You can write, even this is not clearly visible, these equations, even though you can write easily, you just practice it. These conditions, you put it here into this equation, you will get all the 4 equations. These 4 equations as we solve, then alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 value we will get. We will get alpha 1 and alpha 2 as plus 1 by 4, and alpha 3 and alpha 4 are also plus 1 by 4 by substituting alpha 1 and these alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4 values into this equation. We will get n3 shape function. Therefore n3 is equal to, we will get 1 by 4 into 1 plus zeta into 1 plus neta. Okay, and shape function n4 can be calculated again by using by assuming let n4 is equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2 zeta plus alpha 3 neta plus alpha 4 zeta neta. After that n4, substituting the conditions for n4 at the nodes 1, 2, 3 and 4, n4 is equal to 1 at node 4 and it is 0 at other nodes, that is at nodes 1, 2 and 3. And after that write the coordinate values at the nodes 1, 2, 3 and 4. And these 4 conditions, if we substitute these 4 conditions, if we substitute into this equation, we will get 4 equations to be solved like this. 4 equations we will get. These 4 equations if you solve, then we will get alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4. Okay, here alpha 1 1 by 4 we got, alpha 2 minus 1 by 4, alpha 3 plus 1 by 4 and alpha 4 minus 1 by 4. By substituting back these alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 equations into this equation, we will get n4, that is shape function n4 is given by 1 divided by 4 into 1 minus zeta into 1 plus neta. Like this, by using polynomial method of shape function, we can derive the shape functions n1, n2, n3 and n4. These n1, n2, n3, n4, if you compare with the Lagrange form of shape function, the same shape functions we got. Okay, among these two, you prefer Lagrange method of shape function. That will be very convenient and it will be easier. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear students. I hope you have understood how to derive the shape functions for 4 node quadrilateral element n1, n2, n3 and n4. Okay, thank you my dear students. Take care, stay safe.